Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you hate it when you put lipstick on and it gets on every cup that you take a drink from and you have to reapply it like every 15 minutes? Well, if you hate it as much as I do, then you definitely want to try out this Lime Crime Liquid Matte Lipstick. Not only does it come in a beautiful variety of colors, but it is absolutely smudge proof. I found that for me, the best way to apply it is with a really thin layer. So I would go ahead and clean the brush off a little bit using the tube before I would apply, let it dry, and then I can go for a few hours without needing to reapply. I love a matte finish on lipstick, but sometimes it can make your lips look really dry and flaky and kind of cracked. But I noticed with this one, with the thin layer that I would put on, that it didn't look like that at all. I got the color Bleached, and it's a good neutral color that goes with a lot of different outfits. I felt like I could style it with outfits for the daytime, for work, or even for evening going out. It has a really pleasing faint vanilla scent to it. I am definitely somebody who's bothered by strong fragrances, and this is very light and didn't bother me at all. If you're looking for a long-lasting matte lipstick, I really like this one from Lime Crime, and that's my point of view.